What's going on? I'm just going to be demoing out this Native Instruments Maschine Mark II Groove Production Studio. And basically what this is, from the impression that I'm getting, is it's basically like an MPC, like a Mkii's MPC, just a little different in the way of, you need a software to fully get the potential out of it, namely like the Maschine software. I think the Mkii's, they're more of a hardware where it's like all in one, at least the old ones anyway. But anyway, I generally just use this as a MIDI controller. I got Fruity Loops on my computer, and I just kind of use it as basically like a drum pad, But if you really want to unlock the full potential of this, I recommend getting the Maschine software, because from what I've read and some of the homework that I've done, it really just kind of, gives all these other buttons a purpose, But anyway, I'm just going to demo it out as a MIDI controller, and we'll see how it sounds. Here's the back of it. So we got the model Mark II black, and it's got a little scuffage. I'll put more pictures in the listing. And yeah, let's just see how it sounds. Hit a couple of pads, make a beat. Again, I'm just using Fruity Loops and hitting some pads, but definitely look into getting the Maschine software and do some homework on that. But anyway, just see. Alright, gonna switch up tones a little bit. And then of course you can use the pads for note values. But yeah, that's just the tip of the iceberg with it.